Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. I've actually already done a terrible job of it. It is pre-market. Market does not open for another hour. And ASTC, some nice movement here. Already made 125 on it, bought at $4.70, sold at $4.95. And totally just was not even, I didn't even see this one. But luckily, to give a little shout out to the chat room right here, you can see that DIM right there alerted it as some movement in the pre-market. So a good example there of just when you have multiple eyeballs all working together, because I only have two eyeballs, but when you have multiple eyeballs, that's just kind of how the teamwork type thing works. So I was able to take note and take advantage of it. And I do have an order at 451 right now to see if it wants to get down there. And if it does, I'll get this rolling. But keep in mind, pre-market, I am, doing emails, customer service, stuff like that. So I'm not always watching this like a hawk, but I will do my best to capture the entry point if it gets down there. So I will keep you updated. So far, this one has left me in its dust. I did put another order up at 475 now. So we'll see if it wants to pull back below $5 or not, but I'm certainly not going to chase this one. So we'll see what happens. Well, the balloon on this one keeps floating away from me, but I refuse to chase. If the price wants to pull back, I'd be interested in building a position at that point in time. But just to go and buy right now, I realize in hindsight I would have been fine, but from a habit perspective, those are the habits you do not want to be building, because one of those times this thing's it's going to pull back and it's not going to recover if you chase, and you're going to be sitting in a world of hurt. So yeah, frustrating for sure, annoying. I want to buy right now, but yeah, you can't chase, bad habit, and we'll see if the price wants to pull back or not. GEVO, still about 11 minutes before the market opens, but this one is, once again, on the theme of chasing. Was watching for the trend line break right there, and it happened when I wasn't paying attention, and you can see right there the price is definitely breaking out. I would love to buy right now, but if that's that would be the epitome of chasing. And this thing very well could go to 20 here, and chasing would have worked out, but it's all about the reinforcement of bad habits like that. So I don't know. I still have an order out there on ASTC, but I think I'll probably watch GEVO out of the opening gates. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. All right, it's pulling back some. I realize 1835 is a bit of ways away, but this one can move quickly. 1835 would just be my first entry point. So it's getting down there. Somewhat close. We'll see if it can break down through 1850. Knocking on the door, and now 1880 on the bid. Okay, there's the break. Okay, I am in. Let's go 1775. If it wants to pull back some more, just double checking. Actually, let's go 1765 and 1751. So let's see what it wants to do here. Glad I didn't chase. Market opens up here in 6 minutes. There's the break. Down below. Well, now it's back up above 18. Okay, not even at quite 5 minutes, so I'll let it roll here. Now the price action is kind of flattening out here. All right, I'm going to pause for the time being. As you can see, not much going on with the price, but if it looks like I either get filled for more or if I'm going to be able to get out, I'll get it video rolling again. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just get out there. $25 loss. I didn't want to just, right before the market opens, some sort of plunge that, opens up things. That's not how I would want to be, initially positioned. So yeah, I don't want to take a loss. I don't want to lose $25, but I did just because I'm thinking I can get that back relatively quickly, especially with the move to the downside here out of the gates if that happens. And who knows, I very well may have been able to, right there, I could have, see, coulda, shoulda, woulda, would have at least broke even, but that's how the market works. So no point in crucifying myself in hindsight. So just double checking where I want this order to be for the opening gate, 1755. So yeah, $25. I'm confident I can get that back. So not exactly setting the bar high, but that's the whole idea with losses. So let's market opens up here in about 2 minutes. Well, markets open. I would have been totally fine, but good old hindsight. So it is what it is. And let's see if I can get some trades. So let's see what happens. All right, have an order at 651 for my first potential entry here on AC or ASTC. So let's see if it can get down there or not. So I'm in there for my opening portion. We'll look to, all right, so out there for 45, and there's that 25 bucks back. Like I said, I'm not saying that in a bragging way because $25 not exactly, oh, here we go, pulling back here, 1575 on GEVO. So let's pop back over there. See if it wants to pull back some more. I realize 1575 very far away, but you know, this one just moved multiple dollars here, so it's not like it's actually that far away. I will pause. 44.25 short on IQ, so just FYI. All right, we'll see if I can get any fills. Got those for my first on and out that fast there on IQ for a quick $50. 44.85. Let's do it again. Next order at, I guess I just said that, 44.85. So again, I'll look to take a quick $50 if it wants to give me, but if it wants to allow me to build more, then I will do that. So there's a break. All right, it pulled back. So let's do 45.25 now. Double checking. There we go. So we'll see if the price can get up there or not. I think I saw GVO make another. We'll keep the IQ level 2s up though. Yeah, that one's just all over the place. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, going for the break of 45. There it was. Now looking for 25, although I don't like how it's sitting around there, so I'm going to change it up to 45. So let's see if we can get up to 45.45. It's trying. The 45.20 area is being pretty stubborn. All right, there's the break. And 45.45, the first entry point. All right. Keep in mind, I am looking at things on other charts. And what I saw, wanted to get that changed, then moved up some more. All right, I will pause. All right, maybe going to break through 45.50 here. And never mind. All right, 45.75 in play. I'm filled. We'll look to either take $50 or, and it's going to give me $50. So 46.15 I'll do now. Double checking. Okay. We'll see if it wants to give me, like I said, another $50, or if it's going to allow me to build. But next order at 46.15. Okay, I have an order at 50.45. for 300. And I got a partial fill now. There we go, all out there. I don't want to talk too much. I want to get my next order in there. 50.95, double checking. Okay. So HUIA, quite the mover here. So very quick $60 on that one. And we'll see if it can get up there to 50.95 as my next entry point. I will keep you updated. All right, break of 46 here on IQ. Order is at 46.35. Let's see if it can get up there or not. All right, I will pause. Okay, I have an order in at 770 here. Try to buy this pullback here. Just 500 shares. Just trying. Well, it stopped there. Not a fan of that. Don't like when it stops right at my order. Let's do 751 now instead. I'll keep you updated. All right, moving down now to 751. See if I can get filled there. All right, I will pause. Change my order down to 737. So I'm in there. And was that for 600 shares? It was for 600 shares. Whoops, that should have been 500. Well, that was a mistake in my favor. Let's go to 715. 500 shares though. If it wants to keep on pulling back, I will keep on playing it. So like I said, 715 next entry point. I'll get the video rolling again if it looks like I might get filled. All right, have an order in at 47.75 to buy this pullback here. Let's see if it can get down there or not. Just 300 shares as my first entry point. All right, never mind on that one. Let's go 47.37. See if it can get down there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, 47.25. I am in. We'll look to potentially build some more here. Nope, it decided to just give me that 20 cents again. Let's go to 46. Actually, what is that? Low 46. So 46.65. Double checking. So let's see if it can get down there. All right, going for the break of 47. There it is. First order at 46.65. So let's see if it can get down there or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. Okay, it is 10 a.m. Eastern. I have some other things that I need to go and do. Let's see, up 425. Looking at commissions. So yeah, probably about 25 bucks in commissions, give or take. So about $400 for 30 minutes of work before I now go in. And I say work very lightly. So very happy with that. I lost count of the number of trades. I'll probably count those up and use that in the title here. But yeah, before I go, if you do enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button, subscribe to the channel. And, you know, even if you never spend a single dime on the site, totally cool. But if you want me to keep making these and let me know it's worth my time, then yeah, just click that like button. If you are interested in trading in the chat room and signing up for that, which I showed at the beginning of this video, then you can just go to claytrader.com. That is the inner circle. And the cost of that is $99 per year. Not per week, not per month. It's, I mean, just $99 per year to keep out the trolls, to keep out the pumpers, to just keep things very clean. It's amazing what a $99 filter can do. For efficiency of a chat room. If you are interested in learning how to trade with charts, then again, claytrader.com. I offer many online video training courses on that. So again, if you enjoyed the video, click that like button. I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.